Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the racks in your oven or range. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. If you need to purchase a replacement oven rack for your range or oven, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. While your appliance is off and cool, start by opening the oven door and locating the two racks in the oven cabinet. These racks slide in and rest on numbered rack guides on the inside of the appliance cabinet. To remove a rack, slowly pull the oven rack straight forward until it reaches the stop position. Lift up on the front of the oven rack slightly and slide it out. Repeat on the other rack if needed. If you need to purchase a new oven rack, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. Note that the oven racks are not sold as a set, so if you need two, be sure to order accordingly. To install, place the oven rack on the rack guides on both sides of the oven walls. Tilt the front of the oven rack up slightly and slide the oven rack back into place. Be sure that the oven rack is level and pushed all the way in place. Using the same process, repeat on the second rack if needed. Reference your appliance's user manual for information on ideal rack configuration. Our model's manufacturer suggests that when baking with two oven racks, position cookware to allow at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters of space between cookware for proper air circulation. Manufacturers recommend removing all oven racks before starting a self-cleaning cycle. If the oven racks are left inside the oven during the cleaning cycle, the slideability of the oven racks may be impacted and the oven racks may lose their shiny finish. Check to see that both racks are pushed into place and close the oven door. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you later.